Hey guys, what's up? This is Sahilvatsyt, and in this video I'll be telling you about the latest news about Realme 2 Pro. So they have recently given the OTA update of Realme 2 Pro, which is F1.0. Okay, so let's just check it out. What is in the update log and how can you update? I will be covering everything in this video only. Okay, so let's just scroll down fast. Okay, so here we find out the Realme 2 Pro, and it has, today is 22nd August. It came on 21st of August only, okay, or 20th August. So I'm making the video on 22nd August. Okay, so you can see that in the update log what they have mentioned. Okay, so let me just tell you briefly about it. So first of all, they have mentioned about the Google key, that why the Google key was not working before in Realme 2 Pro. Okay, so this is only for the users who have unlocked the device. User who has not unlocked are not affected. Okay, so due to the new Google security mechanism, the device will be a non-secure mechanism state after unlocked. The Google key will be automatically deleted, which will affect the third-party application. In order to ensure the safety of mobile phone data, it is recommended back to the lock state before update. If your phone has been upgraded to F.07 in future version, Google key will come back when you lock your phone. Okay, so basically unlocking means either you have rooted your phone and unlocked its internal features. Okay, that means you can just change down the internal setting of the phone and build custom ROM and everything. You can make everything custom according to yourself. Second is they have mentioned about the Google camera Gcam. Okay, that the recent update which came after that update, the Gcam was not working on Realme 2 Pro. So what they have done, they have said that after our lab testing, Google camera is not very compatible with the Realme UI. Okay, so if you want to use the Google camera, please upgrade to the latest version first. That means first we need to upgrade to this F1.0 version, and you have to make this setting in the developer option, okay, which they have started, and then you have to restart the phone. And they have also found the better version of this APK, Gcam APK, which you can just copy down the link from here and download it from Google Drive. Okay, so and you can install this app after updating it to this new update. Okay, so you can see that they have, if now let's come on to the other part. So in the security, they have new security patch August 2020. Okay, and in the notification bar, if I talk about notification bar, they have added OTG switch toggles of notification panel. Okay, so there will be a one OTG switch over here only. Okay, so you don't have to go to the setting again and again and turn it on. Okay, the second is optimize the logic of flight mode, which will not affect the Bluetooth status after opening. Okay, so what happened before, when you open the or close the flight mode, it automatically turns on the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So now it won't happen. Now let's come on to the launcher part. So they have added the feature of long press the icon to install the app in the drawer mode. Okay, so this is just basic. So let's get on to the settings. So in the setting, I am seeing the new feature, which is the deep cleanup feature. Okay, and which you are going to find out here. Let me just show you where you will find out. I have not updated yet, so but I am just telling you why, as I know where will you find it. Okay, so you will find it under process manager. In the above only, you will find to end all the operation, okay, at once only. So here, if you want to do one by one, then you can do like this. But in deep clean feature, you will get one option in which in one click only you can end all the operation which are going on and which is consuming your RAM. Okay, rather than doing one by one. Okay, so let's get back to the Chrome. Okay. So second is the optimize the default display of the battery percentage. Okay, so this is also basic. Added the feature of long press to copy IMEI number. Okay, so okay, this is also something basic only. So now let's come on to the camera. So the camera, they have optimized the EIS video anti-shake performance. So earlier I was also facing that the video was very shaky. Okay, but now hope so they have optimized the EIS video and they won't be shaky video for now. Okay, now let's come on to the last part, which is touch. So they have fixed the touch screen issue. Okay, okay, so this is also basic. And now let's come on to the bugs. So for the bugs, first they have fixed the probabilistic black screen issue when when using the camera. So many of the Realme 2 Pro users, including me, were getting this issue when they had given the recent update. The camera just black out. Okay, and there was so much hanging in the phone that I cannot even tell. Okay, so the phone used to hang so much of Realme 2 Pro after that update. So I hope so after doing this update it gives me a better smoothness in the phone and it does not hang much and not black out the screen many of the time. Okay, so second is find the probabilistic black screen issue during standby. Okay, so this is basically black screen issue only and they have fixed it. Okay, and the third is regarding flashlight, same with black screen. Okay, basically this is basically the feature which I wasn't able to use sometimes, the flashlight features. Okay, I was just, it was not working properly before. I need to reboot the phone again and again if you I want to use that. Okay, and to fix the black screen issue also, so they have fixed in this one. Okay, so this was all about the feature. Now I'll tell you how can you update it. So this is not come in under the software update in the setting. Okay, that means you cannot just update from here from the software update. This is Realme 2 Pro only which I am showing, and if you see the latest version it's showing here is F.10. Okay, so it has not come over here, but you can, what you can do is you can go to this site realme.com.support and slash software update and you can download it from here. Okay, you can just download the file and just run smoothly. And now if I'll tell you, there are two ways basically to install this update. Either you can go into recovery mode and update from here, which is quite cumbersome process, and many of you must don't even know about recovery version and all. So I wouldn't recommend it all. You can just simply download it file to your internal memory, that is phone storage, and you can just click on that file and click on install, and the phone will do its work by its own. Here also they have written that they have just given the precaution that you can take the backup of your phone. Okay, because if anything bad happens during the update, okay, if there is any malfunction, so you can backup it from there. Okay, so you must take a backup if you are just doing it from here of your photos and pictures. Okay, and they have also, and the battery percentage over 30% is usual. So how to update, they have given the two modes which I already tell you. First is simple mode, that you can just download into your phone memory and then click on update now, and second is recovery mode. Okay, from recovery mode you can download, you can do it from the SD card also. Okay, so you can press down the volume sorry, yeah, volume down power button at the same time, so that it will open your recovery mode, and after that you can just follow the step, install from storage device, and then go to the search for the file which you have, where you have kept it, and then click on install. Okay, so this is the manual version, but in this version, in this, what you can do, you can install from your SD card also. So this is the basic feature. Okay, so I hope guys you like this video and find this informative. Okay, and tell me in the comment section how did you like this update, and also update your phone and tell me whether it is working fine or not, and how is your experience with this new F1.0 update of Realme 2 Pro. And thank you guys for watching. We'll meet you in the next video. Goodbye.